Questions Unanswered team, and we would like to thank you for visiting our site. We hope the time spent on this site would help you answer your questions and help you learn more about evolution.
The world is full of myths about sightings of strange animals. Sasquatch, Yeti, the Loch Ness Monster, Nessie, and mermaids are creatures that people still search for today, with no proof that they ever exist. There is evidence of strange creatures that have existed, such as the quagga and the dodo bird. What has happened to them? Some scientists believe that organisms such as these have either changed or died out over time. Evolution, the change in the species over time, is a possible explanation for what may have happened to these animals. There are many evidences that seem to support the idea that organisms have evolved over the years. Fossil records, structural similarities, DNA, and embryology. All are clues that scientists use to explain how organisms may have changed over time.
A fossil record is a timeline of life that scientists have created by studying fossils found in layers of sedimentary rock. The record was created by organizing fossils by how old they are and how they are alike, giving evidence about when species lived on Earth. Scientists use radioactive dating, a way of telling how old a fossil is, by testing how much radiation is in the rocks that the fossil is found in.
Scientists have been studying structural similarities, in other words, anatomy of organisms. They noticed that many different species have common structures with different functions. Humans have arms, whales have flippers, bats have wings, and cats have legs. The bone structure, or how they are put together, is similar, but each animal uses its own different ways. Scientists use this evidence to support the theory that all these animals may have shared a common ancestor.
DNA studies also support the idea that organisms may have evolved. As a 7th grader, I have studied DNA this year, and I know that it is heredity material that makes us all who we are. Brown hair, male, or green eyes. Studies of evolution state that the more closely related two organisms are, the more their DNA will be alike. So scientists guess that since all species have DNA, we must share a common ancestor.
Studying how organisms develop before they are born is a science called embryology. This is another proposed evidence of evolution. Scientists have found that the development stages of completely different organisms, like the fish, chicken, rabbit, and human, seem to have a lot of things in common. Embryology seems to show that animals that appear to be very different as adults are similar during early development. Embryonic evidence is being questioned as to its validity, whether it is true or not. Because of rumors that these drawings may have been faked, we feel that further investigation is needed.